Generation 1 was impressive, but Generation 2 is massive. And here's the thing, Flex did their research when coming out with Generation 1 like no other tool manufacturer, but some of you, being the contrarians that you are, still had complaints. How come Flex didn't think of something for that? Well, they got something for that too. And a whole bunch of other stuff that you've been asking for is coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. So, Flex's Stack Pack Generation 1 was really impressive, but Generation 2 is massive. They have released a number of boxes that you've asked for, the accessories that you wanted. They even have soft side storage now, so you can organize things like hand tools, carpentry tools. I like that a lot. You wanted it, they did it. They also have a wall mounting system. A lot of you have asked for that as well. They have deep clear lid organizers. They have a 3-drawer box here. For those of you that didn't want to, have to, go into your lower box through the top, they've included a new dolly. You can put any one of these boxes on top of your dolly. It becomes your new lower box. These are a rubberized caster style wheel. They have locks on those wheels to lock them in place. And now, no matter where your box is stacked, you can get into it. It's great, I love it. I love the wide array of chargers, how the system all works together. All of Generation 2 will work Generation 1. And this is the big one that so many people have requested. Here's the deal. When you're organized in a system like this, you might have a little bit in this box that you need, and a little bit in this organizer that you need, and a little bit in this drawer that you need. You might not want to have to take all that in. The crate, which is humongous, cavernous capacities inside there, you're able to take that crate, put it down in front of your Flex Stack Pack, go inside this box, get what you need, put it in there, get what you need out of here, get what you need out of there, and then go into the job with one single crate, go in, complete your job, come out, put it back, boom, you're right back in the truck, you're on to the next one. I like that. Another great part about this crate is it works in conjunction, if that's a word, with this worktop. And this worktop, unlike other worktops, actually latches on top of the crate and becomes a lid for that. The other thing is that compared to other systems, Flex isn't telling you not to stand on top of this. Now, if you break yours, that's on you, okay? I'm not telling you to stand on it. I'm not telling you to, what is that, CrossFit? I'm not telling you to make this your new CrossFit box, but like this is doggone sturdy. And you know, you could mix and match and make a different stack pack. How tall is your stack pack? You can outfit this any way that you need it. You have slim organizers or standard organizers, deep organizers. I wonder if they're gonna have a slim organizer. One of the things that I really like is that this Generation 2 Stack Pack, like I said, with its nice rubberized handles, integrates with your Generation 1, works perfectly. And one of the things that I really like from this second generation offering is this worktop. You can do so many things with this, so many activities on top of this workbox, on top of this worktop, so many features to this. I mean, if you're a tech rolling in and out, you can be signing paperwork, you could be looking at plans. It comes with what looks to be a nice marine grade top. Here's the thing, I don't think that a lot of you would want to go securing things to this snazzy worktop. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a replacement for this. Another feature on this worktop that I really like is it comes with this set of hooks. And at first I'm like, what is this for? Is this help like latch it to the boxes or what is that? You can put this here in the center and then you could have your tools now spilling out of your box, right? But you still have your worktop for later on when you're trying to get them checks signed. It's the little details that make all the differences. Let's see about getting this top replaced. Ow. Woo. We're trying to be nice and dainty with it. Got a little piece of plywood left over from a previous build. Line up our plywood with our marine grade top. Flex, if you're listening, for your third phase of stack pack, I know we might be a little ways off. I'm calling for a box-shaped, integrated dust collector. Vacuum cleaner, but dust collector. You've made some of the best corded dust extractors, dust collectors ever. I think you should do a battery-operated one that would work with stack pack. Now we have a perfectly custom worktop from scrap wood that was laying around. And it was so simple and easy to do. Now we're reattached with a worktop that we can fasten anything to, a vise, a smaller wooden workpiece if we wanted to. For instance, let's just say I needed to work on a smaller piece of wood and I needed to maybe cut off this edge here with a jigsaw or anything. I don't have to worry about damaging this piece of wood below or the cutoff piece. I could feel free to do something like this. And now I could work on this piece of wood or a 2x4. I don't have to worry about damaging my homemade top because I have my template and I can make as many as I want. Quickly, simply, effortlessly. Just use your flex router, route out a whole bunch of these. You could have them as backups. There was an ingenious thought process that went into putting this together, and I'm glad Flex thought of it. Let me know down below, what do you think of Flex's Phase 2 of Stack Pack? What do you want to see in Phase 3? Also, if you're not already, get subscribed and tap the bell because sometimes we'll find an amazing tool deal that's for a limited time. Like last year when we found Stack Pack, it was pennies on the dollar at Lowe's Home Improvement. Well, if it happens this year, you're not going to want to miss it. Never pay full price for tools ever again. Get subscribed, tap the bell, and I hope to see you all on the next one.